guys, my name is Hamad and I'm from grade 4G. So today's recipe is gonna be chicken crabs. So you may be thinking, what combination is with croissants, chicken and crab? So to get the answer of this question, you need to watch this video till the end. So to start with, the ingredients we need for this recipe is thick cream, 2 tablespoons of thick cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, salt according to your taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 cup of chicken. And this croissants, we made it at home and we baked it. So you're gonna put the chicken into the bowl. There. And now the thick cream inside the bowl. The mayonnaise. Salt. So you're gonna mix all the ingredients and yeah. So guys, I've mixed the mixture well. Now the next procedure is to fill the croissants. I've cut the croissants into half. So now I'm gonna fill it. Spread it evenly, and the same way I'm going to fill all of these. And now I filled all of the croissants and dished them out in a dish. And now I'm going to give them a crab look. So guys, just see this look. Don't they look like a crab? Yes, they do. So thanks for watching.